Hi, Nat here again at Shoes with Hollywood. Another unboxing. It's really fun. This one is the Eclipse 656 and it's a black leopard matte shoe. Suede shoe, not matte, sorry. Suede shoe. Yeah, it's a 6.5 inch heel and the Eclipse is all new shoes. They're only just out, and this one is a limited edition offer as well. So they currently have size 5 to 9 available still, so not many people are going to have these shoes. But let's have a look at them. Oh. So there we go. So this has a Slingback heel strap, goes behind the back of it, and it's also got the buckle here, so you're going to feel super safe and secure in these shoes. So this part's the suede bit on the top. It's really funky. And then of course you've got all your cushioning inside the sole again, like always. This is a size 7 that I'm trying on. So the back of it comes around your heel, and then your buckle is around the front. Okay, this one's on. Pretty funky. These would be super nice to wear out on an evening, going to dinner, going to a show, anything like that. It'll definitely dress up whatever you're wearing, make it a little bit more fancy. And they've got a really slender heel. It is so skinny. It's very pretty. So there, these ones are the Eclipse, that's why they've got the little cutout inside the platform. And these are only a new shoe. They really do look pretty awesome. They're very flattering. And yeah, that skinny heel, it just dresses up the shoe even more. Let's go for a walk, hey? Give them a test. So these are 6.5 inch, so they are quite high. So you probably don't want to be doing a lot of walking in these, unless you're really confident. I don't think I'd be quite confident to wear them for a long time walking, but definitely somewhere where I can sit down, I will absolutely wear these. They're a feature shoe for sure. will definitely be getting looked at, and these are limited time, remember, as well, so if you want a pair you will need to snatch them up really quickly because they are already being sold. So that's these ones, the Eclipse Leopard Black Suede shoes. But yeah, these straps are great. The Slingback heel definitely keeps you in the shoe nice and solid. It's really comfy, it doesn't cut or anything, and then the front just is even better, it just adds to it. Okay. And there's those ones. So definitely check them out. You can look online or you can come into the shop if you're in the area. Definitely come in if you can, it's great in here. And if you like these videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. You'll be informed every time a new video is uploaded, and also leave a comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!